Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best travel telescopes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Celestron NexStar 127 SLT. One of the biggest downsides to travel telescopes is that they tend to be lower in magnification in order to keep a relatively compact size. The Celestron NexStar 127 SLT, though, offers the best of both worlds. At 18 pounds, it's not the lightest telescope available, but it features a 1500mm focal length and comes with 9mm and 25mm eyepieces. Those eyepieces result in 60x and 167x magnification, respectively. That level of magnification makes this quite the high-powered telescope compared to most travel telescopes. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Canon 15x50 IS Image Stabilized Binocular. The Canon 15x50 IS Image Stabilized Binocular won't give you the same view as a telescope, but if you want to stargaze in the backcountry, a pair of binoculars is the way to go. After all, you'll never find a telescope that is as small or lightweight as these 2.6-pound binos. They will be much easier to pack into your backpack while still allowing room for all your other gear. The Canon 15x50 IS binoculars are some of the best you can buy too. The 50mm object lens diameter lets in a lot of light for binos. That's the same aperture as the Vaonis Vespera 2 telescope and not much less than our budget travel telescope. They offer 15x magnification, enough to get a good view of the moon and some planets. At number 3, we have the Celestron NexStar 8SE telescope. The NexStar 8SE offers a large, 8-inch aperture for lots of light gathering, making it ideal for scoping out deep celestial objects in deep space. The 2032mm focal length and 25mm eyepiece results in an 81x magnification, making it an excellent telescope to see planets. The optics are high quality, resulting in sharp, high-contrast night sky views. Beginner stargazers will appreciate the motorized go-to mount with a database of over 40,000 celestial objects. It's easy to set up with the skyline feature, so you can get to peeping the heavens right away. At 32 pounds, the NexStar 8SE is on the heavy side for a portable telescope. At number 2, we have the Vaonis Vespera 2. There's a lot to like about the Vaonis Vespera 2. It offers quite a unique design for a telescope, with sleek, space-worthy looks in a highly compact package. It weighs just 11 pounds, and the included tripod is also quite small, so it's easy to bring even if you are hiking in somewhere. If you don't want to go far, the Vespera 2 features built-in light pollution filtering, making it easier to see the heavens even living in a city. One of the main differences between the Vaonis Vespera 2 and traditional telescopes is that there is no scope. Instead of taking turns huddled over an eyepiece, you pair this smart telescope with a tablet or phone, making viewing celestial objects as a group easier. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gskyer 70mm telescope. This Gskyer telescope offers a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length. It comes with a 10mm and 25mm eyepiece, providing 40x and 16x magnification. Those magnification levels give you more flexibility to view a range of objects in the night sky, from close-ups of the moon to viewing the entire moon at once. As a bonus, the Gskyer 70mm telescope has a smartphone adapter and a wireless camera remote so that you can take images through the scope with your phone. Of course, the budget price and lightweight design mean there are no smart or motorized features, so you'll have to find objects in the sky on your own. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!